and then that might be the reason that your blower's not blowing. Oh man, summer's here. My AC works, but I have no air coming out. So the only way that I can get air coming out is if I'm actually driving. That's not good. We gotta fix this. We're gonna see if we can fix this blower motor. I have like zero air coming out of here and I'm on full blast right now. So we're gonna take a look at that right now. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is diagnose the issue, whether you have heat or AC. So if you have air conditioning, that's great. If you have heat, that's good. If you have no air coming out, that's gonna be your blower motor. The blower motor, I'm gonna check out and see if it's spinning first. And basically what you do is you stick that in there and then you rotate the fins and see if it actually spins. If it spins freely, then nothing's obstructing it and you're pretty much good on that side. The only problem is now the motor's not actually moving electrically. So you're gonna have to go and take it out completely. So I'm gonna see if it spins. So it spins, it just doesn't spin super fast. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out on the other side. Okay, so we gotta pop this thing open. We're gonna go ahead and do that by opening it, taking out all of your miscellaneous napkins, California State Park passes, masks because COVID's over, and bike locks because why not? So to pop this thing open, there's two little tabs in here. Maybe we should show you. Right here, there's two little tabs. You're literally just going to, it's really hard to do this one-handed, but push them out of the way so that these can come out. Super hard to show you and do it at the same time, but just take those little tabs, push them forward, and these will just drop. Okay, if you've been working on your Sprinter, then you pretty much know that everything is, the T25 is a Torx. It'll be linked down below so that you guys can check that out, but pretty much everything, every tool that I'm using is in the description below, so feel free to use that. It's an affiliate link, no cost to you, but it helps us make more videos for you guys, so appreciate it. Let's take these things off. You're learning while I'm learning, let's be honest. Okay, we did it. All right, we got a light clip. We're gonna undo that light clip that I just showed you. Well, here's your blower motor. So what I'm gonna do is take this thing out and then we're gonna go ahead and try to diagnose exactly what it is, because this guy can go bad too, and then that might be the reason that your blower's not blowing. So we're gonna take the blower out. Your blower motor, you gotta turn it counterclockwise, undo this little cable, and then you can pull it straight out. It's like almost completely seized. Like it should just be like freely spinning, and it's not spinning at all. So here's what your blower motor looks like. And you twist it counterclockwise to get it free of these little guys. And after looking at this thing, I'm gonna have to buy another one. So I'll see you in a couple days. Okay, welcome back to 2 days later. I have the blower motor and it looks pretty good. So I did get like the cheapest one off of Amazon that I could find. We're gonna replace this. Let's get after it. Should probably take you with me. Come here. Okay, so just like we did before, we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna speed this up so that this doesn't get super boring. This is like a twist deal, so just give it a little something, something. And then pull her out. Well, they look the same except for the old one is real gross.
Please, no! 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 No!
Whew, let's test this out. Come on, work. Awful noise. What was that? That was for sure the blower motor. Let's figure that out. Okay, so we got the blower motor out. This awful noise was the cheap Amazon version of our blower motor. Wasn't moving at all, and so you can see right here this black plastic bit where it meets the white plastic is actually like embedded, and it's not allowing it to move freely. And so let me show you the one that costs $250 versus $70. $250, this thing, here, let me rotate it with my nose. See how freely that moves? That's how it's supposed to be. So we're gonna connect the $250 one and cut our losses and never order anything from Amazon probably ever again. So we're gonna put in the new blower motor, fix this thing once and for all. Okay, it's time to fire this thing up. I have replaced the blower motor. Now we need to see if this thing fires up, but first I gotta put this light on so I don't get any sensors. Give me 1 second. Oh, come on, baby. Okay, here we go, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, I have a new blower motor and my blower motor turned on. So what I'm thinking is that my blower motor blew a fuse. So we're gonna go check out the blower motor fuse, which is, I did a whole bunch of research before, not showing it on camera, because I just thought, oh, if it's a fuse, I'll just fix the fuse. Well, if you're by your driver's seat, now you're underneath your driver's seat, right here is a fuse box. Take this thing down, and in here, oh, come on. Okay, here's your fuse box. Fuse box number 12. That guy right there is your blower motor. We're gonna check those right now. Yep, that's exactly what I thought happened. Wow, that's really blown out. Hold please. Better? Better. This right here. So that little fuse, that thing blew. It's a 30 amp fuse. So I need to go make sure that I have a 30 amp fuse in the garage. I think I do. Come on, baby. Perfect. 30 amp fuse. Okay, like I said, everything should be working, so we're just going to basically replace the 30 amp fuse, and hopefully she works again. Okay, here we go. Okay, I don't have my fan on. Let's turn the fan on. That took longer than expected, but everything is fixed. So we learned a whole bunch of stuff. We learned how to put a blower motor in, troubleshoot stuff, and how to replace your fuse when you blow a fuse. Brilliant. We'll see you guys on the next one. See ya. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. We'd love to have you guys. And remember, create what you love. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.